Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people's house, broke people store, and all these things, and the police them a shake down the look of people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. Yes, you know that today is celebrated worldwide as Father's Day, and today we're going to get that Father's Day spoken. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, we are all about the truth. And, we don't care who's the guy or who's the girl, but it's just that some things, we just have to, as they say, it's just there. Nothing ever happened before its time, and you just give what's due to Caesar. In some families, you know that there are secrets, deep secrets. I had a friend when I was growing up, and I can tell you this. As teenager youths and people drink or smoke or one or two little things, that's when they would echo certain things. And that's when I found out, yes, I'm a best friend. I'm not gonna call his name. Yes. So I had two best friends. Those who know me growing up would know my friends then. So I had two best friends. Both of them died. And I can tell you that one of them, yes, we used to go to school together and stuff like that. Best friend. And one night we were at Juni's. I'm not gonna talk where is that. Those who know me would know where I'm talking. And at that June, and that man him burn all them weed and all them things. You understand? Yeah. And that's when he had shared something with me that I was so shocked, that when he told me that his sister, even his mother, that his grandfather, were molesting them, and his grandmother knew about it. I was so upset when I heard. But he was drunk then, you understand. So, like a few weeks after when he was sober, and I asked him about it. And he had begged me, not to say anything to anyone. So I never said anything. I can tell you, like decades later. Yes, I had confronted one of his siblings, and you know, I'm not gonna go into it, but it goes to show you that some family have some deep some deep secrets. But it's good until you expose all of these different pedophile and these dirty men that are in your family. So, as you know that today is celebrated as Father's Day. Father's Day is celebrated worldwide as a day to honor fathers. However, beneath this celebration lies a reality of commercialization. Merchants often capitalize on the occasion, encouraging children to buy gifts to show their love. Understanding this economic aspect reveals that genuine appreciation cannot be measured solely by material gifts. As fathers, our role goes beyond materialism. It's involved in instilling values like honesty, decency, self-respect, self-love, discipline, high self-esteem, morality, godliness, truthfulness, and conscientious behavior. These values lead to genuine happiness and fulfillment in life. So if you as a father, you're not imparting these things to your children or your child or your children, you're not doing a good service. So there are two distinct types of fathers. You have biological and responsible fathers. When a man signs a child's birth certificate, it symbolizes far more than a legal formality. It represents a profound commitment and love towards the child. It signifies the willingness to take on the responsibility and joys of parenthood. Regrettably, mothers may influence their children against their fathers in certain situations out of personal bitterness, particularly following relationship breakdowns or conflicts. Like the man now move on, be successful, and the mother feel like she's supposed to be a part of the success, although she's not a part of the man's life. So she feel like whatever the man is, ascending in her life, she's supposed to be a part of it and enjoy it. No, you understand? So this manipulation is often rooted in selfish motives and deceitful behavior, aiming to tarnish the father's image and disrupt familiars' bonds. Such actions can have lasting repercussions, causing emotional distress and confusion for the children involved, who may struggle with conflicting loyalties and distorted perceptions of their fathers. So the women, them, especially Jamaican women, when them and the father not together, most of them always poison them child and them children mind against the father. I can tell you that my father and my mother, even although I had resented my father at some point in my life, especially when I was a teenager, my mother never shown a bitterness towards him. Even when you understand what I'm saying? Even when I did not even want to speak with my father, my mother remind me that he's my father and encouraged me to have a relationship with him. Whether I deserve it or not, she's that kind of woman. So navigating these complex dynamics requires a balanced approach, prioritizing the well-being and emotional stability of the children. Clear communication, empathy, and a commitment to nurturing positive relationships are crucial in mitigating harmful effects of parental conflict, or ensuring that children can maintain healthy bonds with both parents regardless of circumstances between them. Yeah, and what normally happens now, especially with the Jamaican women, when the child is with the father, them always try to cause problem in the men, the father's home. Yeah, or the women them try to withhold, use the child like bargaining chip and use the child as hostage against the man, you understand? And try to blackmail me. That's how most of these Jamaican women operate. But you see the men them now where dirty man, yeah, them not play that with them and them thing. Because them the man in the mind them beat me and them not care. I tell you. But you see men them will care and take care of them children. Those are the men that these women, shaft them. So navigating these complex dynamics requires a balanced approach. You have to understand that, you know. So in the United States, fathers who have legally acknowledged their children can petition for parental rights without needing DNA tests under certain conditions. However, the US Embassy requires DNA tests when these conditions are not met. Shifting focus, today we will hear a compelling story from a courageous young woman who will share experience involving a prominent crime fighter from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. This individual, once respected for her bravery, concealed a troubling reality. Senior officers, including those at CIB headquarters, were aware of this despicable act. Sexual abuse, abusing his daughter and niece. And he used to beat his wife, beat her like him beat her from Monday to Sunday. He was a very insecure man. Yes, this man, you understand. So that's how this man used to operate. He wasn't that kind of person that have all head space together. So these women, these mothers, these mothers can be narcissistic, pathological liars and utterly immoral, training their children to lie and view them as investments, expecting financial support. When fathers refuse to comply with these women, go to a great lengths to destroy the father-child relationship, not realizing that they are hurting their children the most. Such behavior is among the most wicked, cold-hearted and ungrateful and unimaginable women. That's how these Jamaican women operate. So you're going to hear from this courageous woman who is not afraid to tell you what's going on with this detective, this man. I am not going to call his name. You're going to hear it for yourself. So I can tell you this is a bombshell, and you'll hear it nowhere else but at the Jamaica Young Police channel. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. We don't hold no ball saying the guy, whether living or dead. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Ashana Antoinette Samuels. I am Dadrick mother named Iris Henry. I buried the brother that buried the other day.
Oh,
my
okay.
mother name is Joyce Henry. My grandfather name is George Augustus Henry. What Dadrick name?
Dadrick Henry.
No, Dadrick Augustus Henry.
So you're saying the information that Dadrick gave that he was shot.
Dadrick is a liar. I'm a mother brother. You don't know him. Uncle Manzi is a liar. He not talk truth.
I didn't know that, because I knew him for years,
All the story where he never dismissed from the force. He kidnapped Carol, the police girl, and the David, and me come to Jamaica come put up the $1 million bill for him. Them lock him up for 7 days.
So why them lock him up for 7 days?
Him go down a Trelawney watch somewhere down the country. Him and Uncle Derek were dead and kidnapped Carol, the police girl. Get to Carol and ask Carol if the story is not true.
Okay, so hold on. So the brother that died, the one that alright, I'm gonna tell you this because alright, before you go any further on them thing, so you're saying that Dadrick rape people in his family?
Of course.
Who him rape?
Me, Miss Marsha and Antoinette Samuel, him rape him daughter.
Hold on, Dadrick rape you?
Sir, don't take people as how you see them, here. Don't take people as you see them.
So
that man is not nobody.
That
man is nobody.
So we're Dadrick rape you?
In him house at Cumberland, 49 South Patterdale.
So that's
I grew with him. His wife's name is Marcia Henry. I was living with him and his wife.
That's the one. That's I want to migrate and live. Where she live? She live at
Port Charlotte. Then time that Dadrick used to work at Acid. Ask bigger for them because they know the story.
So you report that your uncle raped you and what the police did about it?
Nothing. It's sweep under the rug.
Why them sweep
It
it?
down on the paper.
So which year that Dadrick raped you?
1997 or 98 something.
No, but acid was 1993. Well, then we changed the name from acid to anti-crime.
No,
Yes.
he used to work at the time when the incident happened. He used to work at Root Bend Road.
Yes.
Bend Road.
So at the time,
Detective Daly was his supervisor at the time.
Garnet Daly.
I don't remember the name. I know Mr. Daly.
So
I know Mr. Asphalt. I know Mr. Neville Wiley. You know Ara? Police Ara living in Cumberland?
No, I don't know. What's you have to tell me?
Ara used to work at Era something like that. He used to work up at acid too. Henry and my uncle and your Dadrick were dead. Them go down a country, go kidnap Carol. That's the police girl when they Dadrick. And that a young girl before him Dadrick a brown one and now. When Carol left him got kidnap Carol. That's what Henry get dismissed out of the Jamaica Constable Board. Him slide down there and broke him hand because I never know the ear. And him broke him hand. Me hear about the incident and me tell them, I said, them are going to lock up Henry, you know. And when it published out, then that's why they lock him up. Them lock him up and in their jail for 7 days down at Jamaica. I fly down this Saturday and I put up the $1 million bail and I bail Henry.
So hold on, how you mean you put up $1 million? Hold on, so how you mean you put up cash?
I use my house. I want 2 houses in Jamaica.
Oh, okay. So let me ask you now. So when Dadrick, you say when him rape you and them thing there. So did you report it to the where you reported it?
What happened? I was living with him. It was a Sunday evening. I came in from flea market. His wife wasn't there because him I beat the wife, so she wasn't there.
That's the one where the one I married to and no she him getting
and the 4 children did. Yes, sir.
No she him getting green card from.
Right. Yes, her mother filed for them. Yes.
So when they migrated?
19. This incident, it happened. She migrated after the incident happened with me. That's when she left. So she migrated like 19. I don't want to mix up the year and tell her that lie.
Yeah, yes.
But like 90. It was close to when JUTC bus, but 97, 98, somewhere in that region there. I went to live with him 1993 when my grandfather passed away. I was in high school. And I went to live with him 1993 I went to spend summer holiday. And from there on, I was living there with him as a part of his family.
Yes, so and your uncle, so you expect him to protect you and them thing there.
Exactly. And that's why, let me tell you, sir. Yes,
you're supposed to eat him with a passion.
He did not come down for Uncle Danny funeral. He came down because the day that he died, he was supposed to marry that day. My brother, Ainsworth Simit, was the person who was supposed to stand with him at the marriage. Everything what this man have, and the little young girl. The little young girl, a young girl do him when say Henry did have him, Henry was sick. The Jamaica can't tell me the force to do nothing to Henry. I lie Henry, the man is so wicked. You know how long me I try to get to one now, no?
No, but look here.
Where they might try to collect money about the house situation. Henry nearly lose him house because he put it up to the security to get pig pen. I want pig pen, something they do for the girl when you're Carol and he put it on them premises. That's all Henry nearly lose him house. Him start this farming something with to raise pig.
No, Hanover.
No, up a Lindsay, up a one place named Shed Light or whatever. I don't know the country place. Shed Light or something.
Tread lights are
somewhere up there. So right, that's where we had the place with the police girl where him was with. One police girl named Carol Francis.
Oh, that's the one where him. That's the one where the young girl where him used to give him BMW for drive and them thing there.
Right. And him go to jail for. That's why he lose his job. Because he's obsessed when a woman try to leave him and he will hurt you. The one named Carol, when they did Carol, him shoot up hotel a place with her. So all of them something that the JCF have upon him with all that nonsense. And what do? You see, let me tell you something, sir. You see the day when we go for bail, Henry? Henry send
so, let me ask you now. How somebody rape you and then you go bail them? Explain that part to me.
Because there was no other family member that had the something. I remember, I'm an uncle already. I'm a mother brother. In a jail for 7 days, there was no other family member who could have stand up the security. So every time I send them, say, me have to come. So in a jail from the 7 days he spent in there. I went on the Saturday.
Which one did that jail? Spanish Town?
No. Up somewhere up.
Constant Spring?
Somewhere up there, so. And then, when I went to Constant Spring in the morning to bail him, they told me to go to Spanish Town. When I didn't even know the procedure that I have to go downtown, go get down Hanover Street, go do my picture and then something there. After I do the picture and something, him call Donovan, which is his friend, and tell Donovan to tell me to go over Central to Steve McGregor. He might go write one recommendation, give me. When I go over Central to Steve McGregor for the recommendation, I stand over Steve McGregor and was watching Steve McGregor writing the report. And in the 2 last sentence, him write something in there. He said to me, take it out there, so I bet the man, the lady stamp it and put it in an envelope and give it to you. When we reach from Central Step, I said to the man, I said to Donovan, I said, Donovan, him write something in the letter. He said, you're sure? I said, I'm 100% sure he write something in the letter. And Donovan said to me, if you want me the letter, him now go get bail today. And I said, if you go over there with it, him now get bail today. And Donovan said, what we are going to do, because it's 2 o'clock now and the courthouse are going to lock over Spanish Town. Donovan said to me, well, we can't go over there with it. Donovan, I may rip the letter right out of Central Gate, and Donovan cuss one bad word and say, man can wicked, so answer you're your friend. And that's what we call Miss Palomina up on Manor Park. She's a justice of the peace.
So what Steve McGregor wrote in the letter?
Sir, me live in the US. I am a US citizen. I'm a US resident. I did pass the test to the citizenship.
Yeah.
This was here too.
Yeah, you live in America.
Right,
yes.
And I fly down on the 15th of December to come and bail Dadrick.
So and Steve McGregor, right? That's so him right. So you're not Jamaica, you know live in Jamaica and them thing there.
Right.
Exactly. So all him have to do simple just tell the same now give the letter then man, cause that alone.
Exactly. And when me bail Henry, Miss Palomina up on Manor Park, she live up on one hill, up the way I have to go get her. So she have to come because that do a lot for him not bad as people say. I'm gonna go up down the lady write the letter. And we call my mother, and my mother but she a pass off the right one. And I have to go over Spanish one and then lock me in the something there. And one police mother said, who they have to be the inspector? He was inspector of police. And I said, me. And I said, so why it take so long? And I said, I don't know what is going on. And the policeman take the paper them from me. When them taking paper them seize all in travel documents, he couldn't travel. When with the lady give it the paper, and when we bail Henry, I tell me thanks and everything. And Donovan said to him, see, you have to wash your knees foot bottom. And Donovan take on the letter and said to him, see, watch it not cloth, dirty friend, and then you take for friend. At this Steve McGregor writing a letter about you, and tears start to run on Henry, and Henry I cried the evening. I cried the evening because he could be said Steve would have write that in a letter about him. Anyway, that man not sure you know me, but on this 11th of December, man that talk to my uncle, my mother, brother. That not talk to my second fitness. To my grandmother.
Alright, so let me tell you something on them thing there. Because you know that we have done because when I know that drinking.
Me I try to get in touch with you, sir.
No, but
long time I beg the money for they couldn't know, sir. Leave people money alone and lie the man in a situation.
Yeah, but look here, and alright, to be frank, you see what you're telling me about with the girl and them thing there. I knew about it and them thing there. When I say I knew about it, that was one of the reasons why with this house. So you understand. So it wasn't it. You know that.
Sir, you see the money we pay for privy council for England?
Yeah.
Where Henry used to, me, my $6,000, my sister drew out of my bank account a Spanish town. Give Henry for pay privy council. Henry win the case and not even $1 me not get back out of it. And what him said to him, say, Uncle, when me I get my money, he said to me, say, like how the cancer left him body, him I go good and go work and try pay me. Me say, make sure you look at the courthouse, me and you go end up in.
So well, so him me never know say money case of privy council.
Of course, Henry win the case and get the money. At church, you don't know him.
So
I'm wicked that you know, man.
when I because look here, because you know that we over here
You see the Toyota, hold on, sir. You see the Toyota Red Wish when I drive, the Toyota Wish? That is one I went by out of the case when I win.
So when him get that when him win the case to the privy council.
You know what I'm now go tell her like you know all me find out? I one of his son said it is fair to Charlene get back our money because of Charlene money in tech and find the privy council. And it is fair she get my money and I want my son pinch me tell me because them the whole family did have it under ushers so they don't want me to know because he promised us when he get the money I would get back mine. And before my mother husband died 5 years ago in carry when he win the case that the Saturday in carry $5,000 go give my mother husband to give him and say when he get the rest of money and he get the rest of money his young girl in their hotel in there all boat and I post it. I'm going to see a nasty, dirty bit. See how I'm text him and say, watch it, me not get my money if me and I end up at courthouse. You don't know that man, sir.
So which one I'm that time rape?
The one in Dadrick.
The one in that Georgia, you know?
Exactly.
The bro.
In that tell us that you treat him very bad.
No, him never tell because
sir, there's two sides to a story, yeah? People never tell her the truth because never get a sympathy look, you know. Okay, do you want him tell us that the daughter not too married then?
Yeah, him tell me that because
okay, if he not tell her the reason, just you never ask him why.
Me ask him and them thing that he was so but that daughter I know for your wife and them thing is a different mother.
No, that's a out him get that child after the wife leave Jamaica. That child born close to 2000 somewhere there. The last in down in she born the 14th of December. Me no want tell me no remember the year. The year I'm here now. And a friend. So that's why I got Jamaica because he told me yes when your uncle if you notice I didn't even do no video about your uncle and them thing like I beg me and them thing there and you understand and he told me that he want to go to the funeral and you understand. No, because when me none of his son never buy the ticket give him. So when me hear say my uncle when he am cancer when he's a station of police he am George Henry. George them call him GK. When me find out say Uncle Tanta buy the ticket and me call Uncle Tanta, me say Uncle Tanta, why you buy the ticket for Uncle Manzi to go down? Him say wow. Me say no Uncle Tanta, I married him, I go down, I married the 24th and him I come back up the 27th. Uncle Tanta say, what you saying, Marshana? Me say yes, I married him, I go down, I married because me can't forward all the top of them. The clothes them I send me when I want to marry inner. If you think me I tell you a lie. No, me and I said me to Uncle send me the blazer and something me to buy things for married and I say you want to go marry, go buy a sit them yourself.
But look here between me and him thing there because him supposed to get him citizenship end of this month.
They deny him. You see the cloud, they must have something and the kidnap when them kidnap Carol. They did not. They turn him down. You cannot be granted citizenship because them pick up in world pass down at Jamaica. Them deny any citizenship a long time.
No man. No man. Look here. You see when they was going through the process and them thing, they had found the thing in there that he was convicted for the assault. But he had but the record was expunged, so he had made them know that and them thing. So that no,
the record wasn't expunged because Henry was charged and arrested, so it never expunged. Police down at Jamaica do it and America find out.
Well, I know that because he had sent.
Remember, hold a statement. Remember, Henry got bail Monday, Wednesday morning. 6 o'clock it came out in the Gleaner that Henry was dismissed from the police was I bail Henry Monday afternoon. Wednesday morning it came out in the newspaper Dadrick Henry was dismissed from the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Alright, the reason why is because of the assault is the case when they convicted for the assault case. I never.
So which one? The one with Doctor, the one
Yes.
with Doctor Ford, Jeff Ford.
No. It was a different. Is a one where it happened in Alman Town. Him when go and for turn off and dance and him and
Then
some
a
people.
Doctor Jeff Ford
No,
when beat up. When
no,
them
that,
say beat up,
no
and
man,
them
that's
say
a,
beat up
a
on the
diff.
drug.
No, that's a different. The case where I'm convicted for was a different
Sir,
case.
you see, from me know my uncle.
Mm.
If one day pass and in have a case of court, you know, from me know my uncle. The first incident I know about how the Claude mass up. And then from there, so him been back and forth, as him always have, me no know, always something with him.
Him always have case of court. So
Always.
so hold on it. So the Sunday when him rape you, so are you and him alone were at the house?
Him son and it outside I play basketball.
So what happened? Or him just get up and just rape
Okay.
yourself?
Okay. I went to the flea market because his wife did own 2 store uptown. She did have a baby store and she had a regular big people store in the, the arcade, across on the pavilion.
Yes.
She have stores there. So on Sundays, I used to go to Trafalgar Road to sell at the flea market for her. So I came home this Sunday and I was pack out the goods and everything. So him gone in him room, which is the front room, because it's a 3-bedroom house with 2 bathrooms.
So them build another room on the house.
Yes. They built another room, a bathroom, and there was a storeroom where the wife store our stuff in. So I just come from the flea market, pack away the stuff with them in the storeroom, and I decide to go and bed. While me when me turn on the shower on a bed, me hear the back grill. A lock light, because you have a front grill and you have a back veranda, very long back veranda. So I say, Sean, Shavar, me not hear no answer, but me hear the grill a lock. Which when I asked his daughter, Dadrick, I said, how it happened? The same exact thing that happened with me is the same exact thing she told me. I said, oh, okay. I hear the grill a lock. So I thought, because the 2 little boys outside are play basketball across the street, I thought it was them a come in, because normally him not come around that side. So anyway, me in the bathroom and me hear a rumbling. Then me see the bathroom do. Me draw the shower come here.
Yes, as we told you before, we are not going to edit any of the conversation that we had with Dadrick Henry's niece, and hearing all of these things after he died. And as we told her, she was trying to reach out. She was trying to reach out, not to us, but she had reached out to another channel, True Island's tour, to get the message out about Dadrick Henry and what he has been doing to her and his daughter, which is, it's not only shocking but distasteful. And his behavior is really despicable. I didn't know that he was this kind of person. So sometimes you see a man, but you don't know the kind of person they are. So due to constraints, we must break this video into a series to ensure we provide all the necessary information. Data is everything today, and we must adhere to these limitations. This is part 1 of part 5. It's going to be a part 5 because you're going to get it in 30 minutes interval. And the reason why we're doing that is to facilitate our elderly viewers who have been supporting our channel from the day that we started this channel over 5 years ago. It's really the elderly Jamaicans who are in the diaspora and back home. They are the ones who have been pushing us to do more contents, along with True Island's tour, Popeye's News Link, and Evan Blake, Police and Poetry. Yes, and so as we said to so if you're eager to access the entire video, we make sure that we spread it out that you can get the entire thing, because it's a Father Day special. So if you're eager to access the entire video series, now consider subscribing to our Patreon. You will get the entire over 2.5 hours conversation. By doing so, you will support our channel and gain early access to our content. We value your understanding and support. If you want to see the video in its fullness, you can join the Patreon and access the early bird to see and hear for yourself in its entirety. We provide the context and use platforms like Vimeo, Patreon and Vimeo to share meaningful content and raise awareness about issues affecting our homeland and place of birth, Jamaica. Access to this information and educational content is crucial in addressing complex societal challenges, and we are making this content available for those who seek it. We appreciate your interest in Jamaican culture, social issues, and our content. By supporting initiatives like ours, you are not just a viewer, but a vital part of our community. You know that we are not scammers, we're not scamming people. We are just telling you the real mama papa truth, and we don't hold in the balls of anyone. Playing a significant role in driving positive change. This is your opportunity to make a real impact. We are genuinely grateful for your dedication to making a difference in the lives of others. We are confident you will find this video enlightening. So let's build this movement together. If you resonate with our message, we appreciate you. Wishing you a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out.